In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Behance Dark Mode. If you spend a lot of time browsing creative projects, a bright interface can be hard on the eyes. Behance doesn't include a native dark theme for general browsing. But here is a simple way to get that dark look across the site. Plus an option for pro users to style their own portfolio page. Start by opening your browser and heading to its extensions section. In the search bar, type Dark Reader. This is a widely trusted accessibility tool that applies a dark theme to websites by intelligently inverting colors. It's popular because it preserves contrast, keeps text readable, and usually respects the look of images and media while shifting backgrounds and interface elements to a darker palette. Once you locate it in the store, click Add to Chrome. Your browser will handle the installation for you. After it's added, Dark Reader begins working automatically. The next time you visit Behance, you'll notice that the site's bright backgrounds and UI elements are transformed into a comfortable dark theme. This is especially helpful when you are reading long project case studies, scrolling through galleries, or working late at night. Because Behance doesn't offer a built-in toggle, this extension fills that gap for everyday browsing and viewing. It's designed to be unobtrusive, so you can keep exploring projects just like you normally do, only now with a darker, more eye-friendly experience. If you have Behance Pro, you can also give your personal portfolio page its own dark styling. Go to your profile, then open your profile or theme settings and select a dark theme. This adjusts the background and overall look of your portfolio page, making your work stand out against a deeper, more polished backdrop. It's a great way to create consistency if you prefer a darker aesthetic for your brand, or if your visuals really pop on a dark canvas. Remember, this change applies to your portfolio page, while the rest of the Behance interface stays the same, so using the extension for general browsing still complements your pro theme nicely. And that's it.